yeah. I miss the love we used to share. Not only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel me anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we hold. Used to wake up to your morning smile. Now I walk these streets for miles. Every corner bring back you. Every shadow feels so true. We used to talk till late night gone. Now I'm singing a lonely song. Your laugh still dance inside my head, but your love is gone instead. I miss the love we used to share. Now only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel me anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we hold. Time move forward, but I stay still, trying to fight what I can't heal. Friends them tell me let it go, but them never felt this low. I see your face in every dream, but waking up tear the scene. Love like ours don't fade so fast, it just become a painful past. If love was fire, ours was flame. Now only ashes remain the same. I reach for you in empty space, but all I touch is your missing place. Maybe one day I'll be alright, sleep in peace through lonely night. But right now I still feel you near, even though you're not here. So I sing this song for what we were, for every touch, for every word. If love still lives somewhere above, send me back a piece of our love. I miss the love we used to share. Now only silence in the air. Your name still echo everywhere I go, but you don't feel anymore. I know I hold on tight to what we had, even when the memory cuts so bad. Heart still beating, but it feels so cold since you let go of what we own.